What is up, guys? Ari here from Crypto News, and in this video we're going to be having a look at Wall Street memes. We know that meme coins have been going and exploding through the roof in the past 30 to 60 days, and in this video we're going to be having a look at another pre-sale that could potentially 10x at launch. If you guys like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. We're also going to be having a look at their Twitter and one of the comments that Elon Musk replied to Wall Street memes. That could potentially be pretty big. So having a look at right here, Wall Street meme token, we know there's a bunch of stages in the Wall Street memes or any pre-sales that are happening essentially, and you can see right here that there's 3 days, 1 hour and 31 minutes essentially before the next price increase, 8 before the price increases. So we could see right here the next stage would essentially be at 2.56 cents right here. USDT raised 938,000. So this thing, if you guys saw, if you scroll back, we could see we were at 936 and now we're at 938,000 as I am making this video. And you guys can see right here I put a few $1,000s on WSM, 226,082 WSM tokens. You could buy with Ethereum, USDT. Of course, you would essentially need gas fees to essentially buy, and that's about it. If you guys want cheaper fees, you could of course buy with BNB, but of course you would need to claim that on the Ethereum network, I believe. So BNB, if you guys don't want to pay gas fees, make sure you guys do that, and that's about it. Now, what's very interesting about this right here is this Elon Musk comment. Okay, whoa, Elon knew about the inverse Kramer way before us. That's actually pretty funny, because we know that every time Jim Cramer says something, the whole market either tanks or pretty much does the opposite, that, you know, whatever Jim Cramer does, right? So if he says gold is gonna pump, it dumps. If he says Bitcoin's gonna dump, it pumps like crazy. So, and what's interesting about this is that Wall Street Memes actually has 217,000 followers. Now, this is not just a BS project. We can see right here that they joined on October 2019. So they've actually been building for quite some time. Since the last bear market, they've been building. I mean, they've been here for a long time. Okay, I mean, they're not bullshitting anyone, right? And if we can see right here, they're engaging with big accounts right here. April 22, throwback from 13 years ago when Elon Musk said the inverse Jim Cramer. Well, and then Greg, guys, he has a lot of followers. I mean, if we look at this, 513,000 followers. Said, whoa, Elon knew about the inverse Kramer way before us. So we got another meme right here. And then of course Wall Street Memes comments, someone who even call him the visionary, and Elon Musk actually comments a laughing face. And yes, this is the legit Elon Musk, 141 million followers, and of course that made this account go parabolic and go crazy. So there's a lot of good things happening. A lot of people can say, oh, this is a scam, this is a I don't think it is. Okay, it's not a scam at all. Regarding pre-sale tokens, and a lot of people I know have been complaining and they say, oh, I can't see my tokens in my MetaMask. You guys need to wait until the end of the pre-sale to essentially claim those tokens. That's about it. Okay, you need to wait. When the pre-sale will be over, you'll essentially be able to essentially claim your tokens like any other pre-sale. If you guys have never been in a pre-sale before, or this is your first pre-sale, then of course this is how it works, and that's about it. Look at that, $259, guys. A bunch of money is being added to this pre-sale. Today's Memorial Day, yesterday was Sunday. This thing just came out a few days ago, and of course we had a very long weekend, and we know what happened in the long weekend. Less people are active. So tomorrow most likely gonna break 1 million or even $1.2 million in my opinion, and that's about it. If you guys like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on, and I will see you guys